I'm here at Ward High Tech in Sheffield. Now I'm standing in front of this DahLih MCV 1200 vertical machining centre, one of the machines that was sold as a result of a campaign that we worked on with Ward High Tech at the back end of 2019. Yes, it was a buy now, pay June 2020. Now that deal is still on, except the terms have been extended now until the end of 2020, December the 2020. Now this is one of the machines that was sold, and you can see here that the doors have just opened. They've actually had the addition, the customers had the addition of the auto doors on this machine, balloon probing. There's also another machine that's gone through that's got a 4th axis unit which has been interfaced to the machine as part of the deal. I suppose what I'm saying here is, if you're after a vertical machining centre, regardless of the size, you'll see here this is a 1200 machine, but they also have machines that are slightly smaller, the 1060 over there, and also the MCV 1800 here. All of these machines have been sold as a result of that promotion that we did, but there are more here in stock, and not just DahLihs. There's Watch-on machines, turning centres, there is the SFM machines that we've also got on our channel. All of these machines are available on this very creative finance offer, which basically means you can have one of these machines now and pay in December 2020. And the sooner you take one of these machines, the better the terms that you have. Contact Ward High Tech on their website, wardhightech.co.uk.